Here is some vocabulary and phrasal verbs we will hear in Natalie and Diane's call. I was wondering. A polite way to start a question or request. To work something out / to reach an agreement. To fit like a glove. To be a perfect match or fit. Razor thin margins. / to sell with little profit. I could not resist that. To excuse humor or double meaning in a serious conversation. A trump card. A resource left as a surprise when needed. To work wonders. To be a very good option. To wrap up. To conclude / close a deal. Wheels rolling and gears up. From aviation. When an airplane accelerates and takes off. Another double meaning. Go dog. This is great.
Let's see if we can work something out.
Good morning, Vector Aviation. Bonjour. This is Natalie. How are you today?
Hello, Natalie. Hi, this is Diane. How are you? Great, thanks for asking. I was looking at our proposal. Actually, I wanted to see, is Philip available?
I'm afraid Philip is over at the airport office today. Can I help you? You must be Diane with the modeling agency.
He's not there? I see. Okay, maybe you can help me out a little bit. I was looking at the prices that we talked about in our Europe trip, and I am so grateful. You're great. You're giving me a great service. I appreciate it. But I was wondering, is there any chance that we can have a better price? I know we're having great meal discounts, and I appreciate everything you did with transportation, hotels, and the rest. But I don't know, can we go through something?
Sure. Okay, let me pull out the file and we'll look at it line by line, okay? Yes, so we have found the best aircraft for your group, which both fit like a glove. Sorry, fashion, I can resist that one. You can even choose between the 2022 model Bombardier Learjet 75 SLS with 8 seats, a lavatory, and a small refrigerator. Yes, both will leave you and your staff very comfortable, but we're doing this at a razor thin margin in consideration for appearing in your ads. There's not much really I can do on the price, maybe finance and
I would like to know if we can have maybe some credit. I don't know, do you have any kind of credit terms or?
I remembered something. We do have a trump card. Sorry, a golden version. Sorry, that's a jinx. A special financing offer. I have a question. Does your company have an Amex pool card by chance? There is a special offer there.
I see. Okay. Perfect. So it's a business ball card. Perfect.
Please understand this is in the end a deal between you and your credit card. You can set the charge out by 3 payments at no interest. Yes, you can call your credit card and say that it will be Vector 90 day. It has to be all together, yes, and that's our promotion code, Vector 90 day. That way you can make 3 deferred payments with no interest. Does that help you? Yes, we pay a subsidy on the interest and then $194,000. Does that help?
I see. Okay. Perfect. So it's a business ball card. Uh-huh. Perfect.
Okay, yes. Well, I'm glad to help, Diane. Quite an adventure you are going on. If you could just help us wrap this up by sending your itinerary in each location, the FAA, Transport Canada, Greenland, and UK, and Eurozone air control documents for each passenger. Could you send me that? Yeah, also the passport numbers. Yes, please. Yes, that we can get the wheels rolling and gears up. Okay, yeah. Thank you. Okay, thanks. Have a great day. Yes, you too.
Go dog, yes. Perfect. Send the papers. I agree with all of that. Works wonders for me, and thanks for your time. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.
So, your reservation price is crucial. Now, let's practice the pronunciation of negotiation.
Negotiation.
Very good.